Hello students, I am Jnaneshwara TN, Assistant Professor of English. Today I am going to tell you the characteristics of Milton's poetry. Milton was one of the greatest poets of England and can be placed next to Shakespeare. He was a great classicist and humanist. There was a blend of creative and intellectual power in him. Though he was an ardent Puritan, he was a passionate lover of art, beauty, and poetry. He did not share the Puritan hatred for drama and stage. He was a disciplined and dedicated student. His student life was marked by hard work and zeal for learning. He was a man of great creative talent and undertook the task of composition of poems with enthusiasm at the young age. He intended to join church as a clergyman, but withdrew as he found the church indulged in corrupt practices. He was caught in the political controversies of the time and suffered a lot. His personal life was rocked by many untoward incidents. His married life was an unhappy one. He became completely blind at the age of 45. The great epic Paradise Lost was composed at this distressing point of time. He dictated the epic to his daughter, who prepared the manuscript. Now we shall know the characteristics of Milton's poetry. The noble conception. Milton had dedicated his life for the cause of poetic creation. According to him, poetic creation is the product of the inspiration of the divine. He believed that a poet's life should be a true poem. He led an ideal life which is reflected in his poetry. Sublimity. Milton had the holy mission to achieve the sublime. His poetry is known for loftiness and majesty. Sense of beauty. Milton loved beauty in all its manifestations. His poems bring out his deep sense of beauty. Puritanism. Milton was a stern Puritan which instilled a spiritual discipline, moral earnestness, and religious zeal in him. He was very much influenced by Christian theology and the Bible. He has taken themes from them to write his poems. Classicism. Milton was a keen student of ancient classics. They shaped his creative zeal. His poetic style and diction were very much influenced by classical learning. He wrote in classical forms, the epic, the Greek tragedy, and the ode. Milton's poetic art. Milton was a master artist. He produced masterpieces. His works are known for wonderful craftsmanship. His epics are the glory and triumph of the poetic tradition of English. Poetic style. Milton's poetic style is the most distinguished feature of English poetry. His style reflects his sublime personality and character. Compactness, force, and unity of emotional impression is the hallmark of his style. Versification. Milton mended the loose dramatic blank verse of Elizabethan dramatists and made it worthy of epic meter. His poetry is marked by unique musical quality. Milton's influence. Milton was the celebrated poet of the 17th century. His fame reached greater heights during the 18th century as the classical tradition was revived by neoclassical poets like Dryden, Pope, Johnson, etc. The Romantic poets of the 19th century also came under the spell of Milton. High seriousness. High seriousness marks both Milton's character and poetry. His works lack humor. He never bothered to please his readers through humorous incidents. Power of imagination. Milton had superb imagination which is manifested in Paradise Lost. It is the fertile imagination of the poet which creates a world of heaven and hell in his epics. Suggestive power. The effect of his poetry is produced not by what it expresses but what it suggests. The wonderful imagination of the poet creates suggestive pictures which leave behind a lasting impression in the mind of readers. Autobiographical element. Milton's poetry is the mirror of his personal life. His epics reflect his character, personality, and beliefs. He can be seen in his characters. Dear students, let us recall what we have learnt in this session. Milton was one of the greatest poets of England and can be placed next to Shakespeare. Though he was an ardent Puritan, he was a passionate lover of art, beauty, and poetry. He did not share the Puritan hatred for drama and stage. According to him, poetic creation is the product of the inspiration of the divine. He believed that a poet's life should be a true poem. He wrote in classical forms the epic, the Greek tragedy, and the ode. His works are known for wonderful craftsmanship. Milton had superb imagination which is manifested in Paradise Lost. His epics reflect his character, personality, and beliefs. He can be seen in his characters. His works lack humor. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.